Many people have questions about low battery return-to-home logic of Dock 3 drones, wondering why the return-to-home function is sometimes triggered even when the battery still seems good. Today, let's break down this logic. First, the battery level that triggers automatic RTH during the flight is not a fixed percentage. Instead, it's dynamically calculated based on multiple factors: pre-configured RTH altitude, the drone's current distance from the dock, and real-time wind speed and direction. The system then figures out the minimum battery power required for a safe return, and the additional 15% safety buffer is added to account for unexpected conditions, ensuring reliable flight safety. This explains why the drone may initiate low battery RTH even when the battery still seems good. Next, I would like to share two important safety notes. 1. When the battery is low, let the drone go home and please don't manually cancel it. Our after-sales analysis shows that some users manually cancel the RTH to continue their operation, which can lead to insufficient battery power to return to the dock and resulting in a forced landing. 2. The higher drone flies, the greater the flight resistance and operational risk. If the weather conditions are poor or winds are strong, we recommend RTH even when the battery reaches 50%. Finally, there's a special safety strategy in place. If the drone encounters strong winds for 30 seconds during the flight, it will immediately stop the mission and initiate auto RTH. Flight safety starts with battery management. Keep a close eye on battery levels during the flight to avoid forced landings and low battery incidents. Fly safe